Funke, come here. Chidima, falling. So today I'm going to be reviewing an amazing, the best and affordable facial moisturizer, perfect for oily skin type. See, call all those your friends that have oily skin. Tell them to come. Just grab your popcorn and your juice, baby girls, and allow me do the research and come and give you the whole review. You get it? So this particular moisturizer, it is perfect for oily skin. It helps to control excess oil on the face. It has SPF that actually helps to prevent you from sunburn, the harmful rays of the sun. You get it? So this particular moisturizer is very affordable and amazing. It is something that I have used and I can testify. So if you have an oily skin just like my face, because as you can see this face, I just washed it like an hour ago with a mouth soap, and I've not even applied toner, serum, moisturizer. Look at the shine already on it. Or you have a face that is more oilier than mine, that is enough to, the oil it brings out is enough to fry half crate of egg. Relax, I've brought an amazing product for you. Hi besties, my name is Wina. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, you're very much welcome. Please do what to hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification beside it, like this video, drop a comment and share with your friends. If you're an old bestie, please, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I love you. Thank you so much. So without wasting much time, let's review this product. So besties, the product we are going to be reviewing today is no other than the are you excited? Are you it's no other than the Nivea. You can see this, the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Mattifying Day Cream for normal to oily skin type. Visibly restores even skin tone for a radiant and matte complexion, and even tone pure active, which are pearl extract and vitamin C. This gives 8-hour oil control and it contains SPF 15, and this is the 50 ml size. Okay, you might say, I know Nivea, but this one is different because it's an oil control Nivea, and it is mattifying, and I've used this product and I love it. The matte finish it gives, honestly, if you have an oily skin, you will definitely love this. Okay, so let me open the product. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be showing you everything about this. So this is the pack it comes. You're going to boldly see the 8-hour oil control and SPF here, and then you're going to see the mattifying day cream here. You can see this. This is how it comes. This is how it comes. Okay, so I'm going to open this. So this is what it looks like. Then this is the this is what it looks like. So this is a day cream because it contains SPF, which is sunscreen, sun protection factor. So you have to use it just in the morning. Okay, so you need to get another cream for night. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me apply it. Although I've not applied any cream on my face, maybe I should use it on my face, right? So I'm going to be using this quantity on my face. So can you see my face? So when I tell you this leaves a matte finish, I mean it. It is an oil control, and I'm not saying when you apply this you should not add another sunscreen on your face. No, you have to add another sunscreen because SPF 15 is not enough to protect you. Okay, so you need to use your normal sunscreen on your face as well. Okay, but this contains sun protection factor. Okay, but it's not enough. You need at least SPF 30 You need to apply a sunscreen that has about SPF 30 and above. Okay, SPF 15 is not really that active, right? So look at how my face look, matte, no shine, no, it doesn't bring out excess shine. So it is amazing. So if you just take your bait and you apply this on your face, like it's going to, you will not see shine on your face for at least 5 hours. I'm telling you, it helps to, to control oil on your face. It controls that excess sebum that comes out from your face, that excess oil that comes out from your face. Okay, so that's not the only goodness of this particular face cream that helps to, control oil. Another beautiful thing about this particular face moisturizer is that it contains two active ingredients, which I have mentioned earlier, which is pearl extract. And pearl extract has lots of amazing skin benefits. Number one, it helps to treat acne. So if you have acne, it's going to help, treat your acne. It's going to help your acne. Secondly, it helps to give your skin this natural, supple, and youthful glow. Okay, it's a very nice ingredient. And thirdly, it slows down the signs of aging. Okay, it helps to prevent wrinkles and skin sagging. It also helps to regenerate the skin, so it is amazing. Okay, and you know what vitamin C does now? Vitamin C helps the skin to literally glow. It helps to brighten the skin with time. Like it helps brighten the skin over time. When you continuously use a product that has vitamin C, it helps to brighten your skin over time. It helps to, lighten or fade off dark spots. It also has anti-aging properties. It helps to slow down the aging process of the skin. It is amazing. It is an antioxidant that the skin needs. So those two ingredients, which are the key ingredients in this particular moisturizer, is amazing. So you need it if you're an oily skin type or you have a normal skin. This moisturizer is a must have. Okay, and I got this at a particular supermarket for 2,750. No, sorry, 2,950, not 750, 2,950. Okay, so there was another supermarket I got to, and I saw it there for 3,050 naira. So I think it's within the range of 3,000 maybe to 3,005, depending on where you stay. Okay, and this could last you for about 3 months. Yes, if you're using it just in the morning, and it is expected to use it in the morning alone, not at night, because in the night you are not expected to sleep on your sunscreen, because sunscreen also have ingredients that might make you break out if you do not wash it off, if you allow it stay on your skin for a long time. So don't use this at night. It is a day cream and it will help control your oil. Okay, so besties, I've come to the end of this video. Okay, so one important tip I need to share with you, or one important information I need to give you, is that if you have an oily skin, just have it at the back of your mind that you cannot cure oily skin. There's no way you can cure it. Stop asking, how can I stop my oily skin? You cannot stop it. Okay, you just have to learn how to manage it. Okay, learn how to manage your oily skin so that you don't go out and start looking like they poured you one bottle of groundnut oil or vegetable oil. Just learn how to manage it with the right products. Okay, and also have in mind that for the fact you have an oily skin now doesn't mean in the next 20 years you will still have an oily skin. Okay, so many things can change your skin type: hormonal imbalance, childbearing, change of environment. So as you grow older, your skin type might change. Okay, so just have it at the back of your mind. You might be oily now, by in the next 10 years or 5 years you can just go from oily to dry skin, or normal skin, or combination skin. You get? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you do enjoy this video. Please support me with your subscribing. Hit on that red subscribe button, sorry, and also turn on the bell notification beside it. Please also make sure to like this video. Support me with your likes and your comments. I would really appreciate that. And share this video with your friends. Till I come your way next time, have a wonderful life. Bye.